Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to get login into ChatGPT account. Also I wonder why you want to log in into your ChatGPT account. It is because you have logged out of your account a while ago and now you want to log in again. Or maybe you don't know how to log in to your ChatGPT. Or maybe you think that you have forgot your password. So in this video I'll show you how easily you can get back to your ChatGPT account if you follow the instructions that I'll show you in this video. I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First thing first, you have to unlock your mobile phone and then you have to open a browser. You can open a browser of your choice. It could be Google Chrome, Safari, or any other. You just have to simply tap on the icon of the browser and then open it. And once you open it, what you have to do is in the search bar, you have to search for the ChatGPT or maybe for the OpenAI. You can either type ChatGPT or OpenAI and you will get to the right website. So here I'm going with a ChatGPT and when I search on it, you can see we got the first link. You just have to simply open the first link because it is the correct one. And if you use any other link, then you may end up to the wrong website. So you have to make sure that you always select the right link. And once I clicked on it, as you can see, this is the interface of the app. So now what you have to do is you have to click on try ChatGPT, which is on the left side of the screen. When you click on it, it will get you to your account and from there we will see how we can log in. So just simply click on try ChatGPT. After that, you will see it will ask you to log in and sign up. So if you have an account, then you have to click on login. But if you don't have an account, then you have to click on sign up. So here we already have an account and we just want to log in. So we will go and click the login so we could get back to our existing account. Here you don't have to worry that you have forgot your password or you don't know anything about your account like your username. You just have to simply use the account or the email address that you have used before to creating your account. Like here, you just have to enter the email address that you have used, or you can use your Gmail account or maybe your Microsoft account. Whatever you find the easiest one, you can use it and make sure that you use the correct email address that you have used while you were creating your account. It will take a while and after that your account will be back. So here as you can see we're back to our account. Now you can use it, you can ask any question that you want to ask or maybe you can do whatever you wanted to do. This was the easiest way I know through which you can log into your ChatGPT account or OpenAI account. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And at the last, thank you for watching the video.